If you suddenly get rich, you must do 9 things. Be silent, don't tell anyone, including your parents. Be debt-free, pay off all your debts. Remember, don't pay all at once, pay in batches. Save money, don't be in a hurry to spend it. Keep it in the bank for at least 6 months to let it grow. Believe in the master. If you subscribe to and share this video, or leave a comment below it, good luck will definitely come your way. Keep it simple, don't rush to buy a house or a car. Keep your job, don't quit your current job too quickly. Leave yourself a way out. Be cautious, don't invest in business ventures hastily. Be careful, don't let your children know you are rich to avoid the risk of them being targeted. Stay calm, maintain the status quo as if nothing has changed. Avoid making major decisions based on big data. Remember, all the money and good luck will definitely come your way if you subscribe to and share this video, or leave a comment below it.